Most people use fabric softener only for laundry, but today I'm going to turn it into this beautiful rose-shaped air freshener that can make any room smell amazing. And the best part? It's made from simple cotton pads and a few inexpensive ingredients you may already have at home. Let's make it together. If you love easy DIY projects that are both beautiful and practical, you're going to love today's idea. This rose-shaped room freshener not only looks like a decorative flower, but it also slowly releases a fresh, clean scent throughout your room. Perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, living rooms, or even office spaces. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need 250 milliliters of water, 5 grams of agar-agar powder, 2 grams of salt, 15 milliliters of rubbing alcohol, 100 milliliters of fabric softener, several round cotton pads, and a wine glass to use as a mold. First, pour 250 milliliters of water into a small saucepan. Add 5 grams of agar-agar powder and stir until well combined. Next, add 2 grams of salt. Place the saucepan over medium heat and continue stirring until the agar-agar completely dissolves. Once the mixture becomes clear, remove it from the heat. Allow it to cool for a few minutes. Now add 15 milliliters of rubbing alcohol. Then add 100 milliliters of fabric softener. I'm using a blue fabric softener today because I love the color it gives to the finished rose. Stir everything together until the mixture is smooth and evenly blended. Next, pour the scented mixture into a shallow bowl. Now comes the fun part. Take 1 cotton pad and dip it into the mixture. Allow it to absorb the liquid, then gently squeeze out any excess. Place the cotton pad over the rim of the wine glass. Take another soaked cotton pad and overlap it slightly with the first one. Continue arranging the cotton pads one by one around the glass. Slowly, you'll begin to see the petals taking shape. Keep dipping, layering, and shaping until the flower starts to resemble a blooming rose. You can gently adjust the petals with your fingers to make the rose look fuller and more natural. There's no need to rush. The more carefully you shape the petals, the more realistic your finished rose will look. Once you're satisfied with the design, leave it undisturbed for several hours. As the agar mixture cools and sets, it will help the cotton pads hold their shape. After the rose has fully set, carefully remove it from the wine glass. And there it is, a beautiful rose-shaped air freshener made from simple household materials. Place it on a decorative dish and display it anywhere you'd like a fresh scent. As the fragrance slowly evaporates, it will help keep your space smelling clean and refreshing. Not only is this a budget-friendly alternative to store-bought air fresheners, but it's also a unique decoration that adds a touch of elegance to any room. Who would have thought a few cotton pads and some fabric softener could create something this beautiful? If you enjoyed this DIY project, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more creative home ideas and simple life hacks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.